and more right after this. Good morning, everybody. Happy February 16th, 2025. The birds are eating. They've been eating me out of house and home. I got to be honest with you. This is a brutal winter, guys, all the way around right here. And for the people that don't live in the snow belt, I'm going to give you a tour of the backyards the best I can. And you're going to see how much snow we have. The roof's been shoveled twice. And it's freezing raining right now, and we got some lake effect snow that's going to be setting up between tonight and Wednesday that could potentially bring our area right here another 3 feet of snow. Guys, look, where are we going with this shit? It's got to be a state of emergency if we get 3 feet of snow around here. Houses are going to start caving in left and right around here. Not everybody has the resources to have their roofs shoveled. It's just awful. So what are we going to do? This is going to be in the history books this winter, without a doubt. This is absolutely freaking mind-boggling, to say the least. But anyway, enough of me bitching. Last Sunday, Darrell White from the band RYDHER, he come over. Rick and I interviewed him. Chillin' Smith, Rick. What a great interview. I got a lot of positive feedback about that, guys. A couple people watched it all the way through. It was like an hour and 45 minutes long. That's way longer than I would have liked it to have been, but it was so interesting and so effortless and smooth. We just kept going and it was great. So if people are watching it all the way through, that's awesome. So you can find that on Generation X Podcast and my Facebook page, and Chillin' with Rick, his page. It's on there too. And Friends of RYDHER, it might be there. But what I did was I took my favorite moment of that interview out, and when Darrell was talking about being able to get up on stage and sing with Marie Osmond, I had that clip there. It's on YouTube. It's on YouTube here and on my Facebook page. But I'm going to put the clip of Darrell on stage with Marie. He got called up on stage with her. She's so beautiful, and we grew up with Marie, so she's an icon, and you can see the joy in his face. And the guy can truly sing, and she was totally taken by him when he opened his pipes and let it go.
Just the two of you, okay. You know this song? Yeah, they said they know you, sorry. Okay, you know this song, Darrell, okay? This is what I want you to do. I'm gonna start singing. When I stop singing, you're gonna start singing. Okay. You know the words. Sing really loud so they can hear you up there, okay? All right. You gotta give me. That's it.
Nutrisystem for guys.
Put your arms around me.
This is a dream come true.
All right, you ready?
Yes.
I'm gonna sing. Here we go. Look at me right in the eyes. No, let's not do that one.
That's fine, we can just keep stalling.
No, I don't want to do that. You know what? Since you're a singer, let's do this one. Let's do this one. Go, girl! I'll have a big Christmas without you. I'll be so blue. You can sing down an octave. Thinking about you. Decorations are red like your face on a green
Christmas tree. but I'll have a blue, 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 blue Christmas.
Shay. Yeah, I don't know where Shay went. She's done with this horse shit too. All right, we're gonna have to walk through the house. Check that bank out. I mean, come on, guys. This is ridiculous. It's wet, shitty. They know I'm coming, so. All right. Am I recording? Yeah, I had to look at my reflection. I wasn't sure I turned the camera back on. All right. Coming through, people. Coming through. All right, we're gonna walk out back here. I haven't been out back since we got that massive storm. Oh my God, it's like a tunnel. Yeah. Shay. All right. Oh, I forgot. Here we go. We're gonna get buried alive, I think. We might die soon. All right. So here's Rachel and Corey's deck. Oh my freaking God. All right, I can get out here. Nice. They got a path. They've been spending hours and hours keeping paths and shit shoveled. But check this out. Look at this crap. Heather's over there getting the snow and ice off the hot tub. You know. Let's go over here. Guys, my southern friends, people that have never lived in a snow area like this, and a lot of the snow came from lake effect. So if you don't live on a lake, you don't know what lake effect is. This is lake effect. So it can literally be snowing an inch an hour here, and a mile away the sun could be out, and we're in the bullseye on this next lake effect event. It's out of control. It's beating the shit out of everybody, guys. I'm telling you right now, it's stressful. Everybody's dealing with it, and that's what I keep telling myself is we're not in this alone. Everybody's dealing with it, and some people got it way worse. How about the guys that have to move the snow for a living? And shout out to the village of Camden for keeping these roads clean. And they've been working their ass off this winter, without a doubt. And now there's nowhere to go with the snow. So now they're bringing in loaders and shit and moving banks out of the way. And we have a huge St. Patrick's Day parade in March here downtown. And there's going to be nowhere for anybody to stand if they don't get rid of those snowbanks. I mean, the snowbanks are 20 feet tall in some places, guys. It's insane. So where do you go with the snow? If we have to shovel our roof for a third time, where are we going with it? I mean, it's higher than our roof already. There's no place to go. The wind's starting to pick up. I guess the wind is going to be the big, it's like a bomb cyclone, they're calling it. Snow cyclone or whatever. So power outages, it's going to be insane. So hold on to your ass, guys. If you live around here, hold on to your ass. But anyway, let's get back to some really fun stuff. Kenny and Carrie Ann had a Valentine's party at their house. Kids were sledding and shit like that. What a blast up there. I should have ate something, but I didn't, and I drank shots. So I felt like shit yesterday morning. And the reason is I'm cutting way back on my drinking, so my tolerance level is not where it used to be. So if I drink a little bit more than normal, it really hits me hard, which is probably a good thing that, you know, I can't handle it like I used to. All right, so here's some pictures of Kenny's. You towing them?
Yeah, Nate's on duty. He just tried to get Jagger to surf on a saucer. He said it's impossible.
It's not impossible.
No rope. Light, but it's a surf.
Nate, tell me this isn't fun.
Oh, yeah,
This is
it's great.
Look at the snow.
It's insane.
This is epic snow. Look at the doggy. Happy Valentine's Day, Whacker. Such a freaking blast. That's like a playground for kids. The hill for the sledding, the snowmobiles, the four-wheeler with the tracks on it. Great people, great food. And she sent us home with some homemade brownies. If you haven't had Carrie Ann's treats that she makes, oh my freaking God. Totally amazing. At least somebody likes the snow. It's awesome. All right, I'm gonna walk around. I'm not gonna go through their house again. Oh, and the other day when I was coming back from the post office, I drove around the back roads when it was pretty. The sun was out. Looked beautiful. I mean, it does look beautiful with the snow on the trees and everything, but it's getting to be a dangerous situation now with all the weight and potential collapses and shit like that. It's not safe to not shovel your roof at this point, because the first big event we had, it was like over 3 feet, but that was like light fluffy snow, and I guess this snow is not going to be that fluffy and light. So, and it's raining right now, so all this snow is getting heavier and heavier and heavier with all the rain. So it's dangerous already if you haven't shoveled your roof yet, I'm telling you. And if we add 3 more feet, guys, it's not good. But check out some road coverage the other day when it was actually nice out.
There's a problem with that. We should separate those people.
Everybody's angry.
And then they were running around with these sheets on fire. It was insane.
You know, I'm not built for this stuff because I feel bad for some dude.
Well, the police finally got there. They had to use these rolling linen carts as shields.
See, it looks pretty, which when you got to deal with it and live in it, and it's not good for the body. Vitamin D deficient. People are getting grumpy. You ever see the movie The Shining? I should put a clip of The Shining in here. That's what I'm gonna do. This is how we're living right now.
Little pigs, let me come in. Not by the hair on your chinny chin chin. Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in.
Oh my God. All right, guys, going in. I got the flavor of the day all picked out. I already listened to the first song on it. Been listening to a lot of this band this weekend. One of my favorites. NASCAR today, Daytona. They're calling for a little rain. Hopefully that doesn't stall the race. I'm not a big NASCAR guy, but that's a sign of spring in my eyes. And to see warm weather and cars taking a left turn for 3 hours, it's a nice sight right now, I gotta be honest with you. I love the sound of it, hearing the cars going around and shit. Maybe we'll make a bet. Maybe we'll do a bet today. Make it a little more interesting. There's like 4 quarters, right, in the race now, so you got 4 chances to win. I think that's what we should do. Make it more fun. But anyway, guys, I'm going in, getting warm, flavor of the day. Throw that on. Figure out what I'm gonna drink today. What kind of beer? Maybe an IPA. Shay, get over here. Come here. I have control. Get over here. All right, guys. If you don't have anywhere to go today, stay inside. It's not even safe to be on the roads. It's shitty. Let's fight through this winter. Spring will be here soon. Hopefully there's not much damage when the snow melts, but I'm a little worried about seeing everything under this snow, especially out back in the pool yard. Broke the roof rake. Just ordered another one. But I digress. Anyway, guys, have an amazing Sunday. Stay inside, drink some hot chocolate, drink a beer, drink a hot toddy, drink a glass of vodka, drink a bottle of vodka. Do whatever you got to do to get through today and the next couple days. And be safe out there. Like I always say, it ain't over yet. Peace.